Hello everyone, it's me Lise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to back up WhatsApp on your iPhone with iCloud 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first method, what you can do is go to your WhatsApp and click on settings at the bottom right, then click on chats, then click on chat backup, and it will be backing up right now. So this is the backup that is done through your WhatsApp. But the second method that I'm going to teach you is using iCloud. So you can go back to your home, then click on settings, then click on your iCloud like this. Then make sure that your iPhone backup is on, and then go to your apps and then click on WhatsApp and make sure that this is on for the iCloud to back up your WhatsApp on your iPhone. So this is two of the ways which you can back up WhatsApp on your iPhone with or without your iCloud. So I hope this video was very helpful. If you like this video, then please be sure to comment and subscribe as well. If you have any more questions or comments, then leave it on the drop box below. It's me signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye guys.